go swimming, Blitzen? Go swimming. Go swimming in the pool. Oh, good boy. Oh, look at the hose. Oh, Blitzen, it's swimming.
Nobody.
You get into, Vixen? Fresh water in the pool. Oh.
Careful, you're going to get everybody wet.
Not me, I'm far away. Oh, good girl's in the pool too. Whoa.
Alright, let's leave it. Crazies. Were you playing in the pool too? Alright, leave it. Leave it. No bites. No biting. My hose. Didn't have to tell another male that.
Hey, don't get me.
Are you playing? Are you playing? Son of a big boy. Son of a big boy. He squirts you. I'll be squirting you. You don't want to go in, baby girl? You want to go in? I saw you were in there with him.
Hi, Blitzen. Does it feel good in the pool, huh? Good boy.
Go playing. You go playing with
Good boy in the pool. All right, that's enough. Say goodbye. Goodbye, Blitzen. Why don't you come inside? Oh, now we're going to play pool toys.